Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a high school resume. What is a high school resume? A high school resume is a valuable tool for students applying to college, a job, an internship, asking for a recommendation, or winning a scholarship. A resume is not just a summary of your qualifications, skills, and achievements, it is an advertisement of your character and individuality. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a high school resume step by step. Check this out. First of all, write your full name on the top middle of the letter. It is good to make it bigger in font or maybe uppercase. Under it, write your home address. It consists of number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And still in the same line, you can write your phone number and email address. This is minimalist modern style. Most people nowadays using this style. The first section of the resume is objective. Here, you have to briefly elaborate yourself. Since you are high school, you can focus on showing off the grades, organizational and interpersonal skills. And write why you are writing this resume. You can write that you are seeking to apply the internship in a certain organization and you have to mention the name of it. For example, the writer wants to apply to be a tutor or mentor at youth department for this summer as an internship program of the company. And write what kind of skills that you are offering to the company. In this example, the writer offers good communication skill and passion in advocacy. And write how all the things you mentioned here will be a good support for the company. The next section is professional experience. Just because you are a high school student doesn't mean you have no experience. You can write it here. Mostly, high schooler mention their experience as a private tutor or mentor. Write the job title here as well as the date to show how long you work there. And under it, write the company or organization. And write also the city and state. Under it, you can make bullet points to elaborate your professional experience. For example, you can mention how many students you were tutoring. And how long per session is. And tell if you give impact to the students like mentioning the progress of the test scores. And mention how active you are in exploring teaching methods. Remember, you need to mention the professional experience that has the same field as the job position you apply. And you can also mention volunteer programs that you participate in. Of course, it should be in the same field. In this example is volunteer in teaching. You can mention the organization name or project name. And write the city and state. Don't forget to mention the date when you started and stopped. Just like the previous one, make bullet points to explain what your job looks like. You can tell how many children, how long the session is, what kind of teaching it is, and so on. Explaining the job details here is important so the recruiter knows your capacity and skills based on your experience. If you don't tell, they will never know. The third section is about education. Here, you can write the name of your school, and write what class are you. Under it, write the highlights of your achievements in the school. For example, you can write your GPA, and write other achievements. It is highly recommended to mention the ones that have relation to the job field you are applying. And you can also write some relevant coursework. For examples, here are early childhood educations, calculus, and AP English. And the last section, it is about additional skills. You can make bullet points here. Mention all the skills you have that will be helpful for the job position you are applying. In this example, the skills are experienced in MS Office, bilingual in Spanish and English, web and tech savvy, and even your typing speed. So, that's how you write a high school resume step by step. Be confident when you write it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Writing practices will always be your best buddy when you need guidance to write something. See you soon.